Hello YouTubers, this is a nature trail in Hall Park Rushden, Northamptonshire. First we come to a green woodpecker. Each post represents a tree or a bird or something of interest. This one is the field maple. There's other trees around as well. You'll be coming up to another one, which is the oak. It's the oak tree, the mighty oak tree. There are over 600 species of oaks, ranging from they grow from about 20 to 40 centimeters, which is approximately 120 feet high. Most trees have got a bird box. This is a sycamore. This can grow to about 35 meters, with 115 feet. On each tree, you should be seeing a bird box. As we got this tree, you better see it. There it is. There's the bird box. As you can see by this video, how tall these trees are, well established in this park. And then we go down the trail, a bit further down the trail, and we'll probably come along to another post to indicate something else down this nature trail. And I think it's going to be around this corner here I can see the post now, and I think it's to do with wildlife, and we're going to have a quick look and see what it is. Okay, I think yes, it's a squirrel. That's what it is. And obviously lots of squirrels around at this time of year. And there you are, there's one there. And we also got one that's coming up. It's going to be it's a statue actually of a squirrel, and it's been made out of one piece of timber, and it's been carved into the shape of a giant squirrel, and there it is. Whoever's done this has done a marvelous job. All the kids love this. It's a great favorite to all the children. Now here we have the chestnut tree, which is famous for conkers with children and obviously adults as well. We eat them, and I think children generally play with them. And this is probably October or November. And this one is the ash, another lovely tree. And as we follow the trail, we're now on the other side of the park. And this trail leads by the brook. There's a brook that's coming up very shortly, and you'll be able to see the water very shortly. And here we are. It's coming up now. This brook is it never floods. It's never really fast flowing, not even in winter time. It's a trickle basically. Just carry on down the trail. We just go around this tree. I believe that the brook, as I was talking about, is around this tree. I think I can see it now, and I think there it is. There's the water. As you see, it's not a fast flowing river whatsoever, and it just helps the wildlife. You know, for the washing and the drinking, or one thing and the other they do. Now we carry on around this bend. We're coming now up to where the dog park is, which is where I videoed Annie and Angel yesterday. They were a great time. It's all fenced off, this dog park, and I think I spotted something here. Now that's, I believe, is a blackbird. Yes, there's a blackbird. And you see many varieties of different kinds of birds on this nature trail, and all you have to do is go down there and have a look. And at the end of the trail, if you're tired and you want a seat, here is a seat of wood carved out of a tree. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Dennis Jennings for more videos. Thank you very much.